another video. Finally made it down here, hiked down to this mountain stream. I fished this mountain stream back in January. Didn't catch a thing. There's actually a waterfall right behind the camera here we're gonna give a shot. And then we're gonna wade up the creek and hopefully we'll get on some native brook trout this morning. I'm probably gonna start this video off with a 2.2 meal minnow. Same lure I used in my last video. I had a lot of success with it. So I figured give that a shot down here. If that doesn't work, we'll switch things up. Like I said, it's gonna be the same lure. Let me get this untangled here. That's what we're gonna try, guys. Like I said, this is a 2-inch lure, 2.2 inches, and it's called the mule minnow. And I explained this lure a lot in my last video, how to rig it, and how I like to swim it to get on some nice big trout. But we're gonna try in this stream right behind me, and hopefully we'll get on some fish. Alrighty, guys. Let's see if this creek will produce today. Like I said, I fished it a couple months ago with not even a single bite. And right through these trees where that water's coming down, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's a nice deep hole there. There's usually some nice brookies in there. Tried fishing this stream a few months ago with the trout magnet, and shockingly, not even a bite. Just gotta watch in this stretch. There's a lot of branches and stuff. There on that other side, maybe. All right, let's try the waterfall. There's the waterfall, guys. Man, that was sketch. It came right up from down there. Very slippery. All right, let's do this slowly. These rocks are slick. Woo. I almost didn't come up here. Oh my God, that mist has hit me. Look at that, guys. I don't know if you can see the mist. There's all ice on those rocks over there from it. All right, let's get on the other side here. Took my jacket off because I was sweating. Now with that mist hit me, it's cold. Oh, after all that, I hope I get some fish here. So yeah, right in front of me, there's a big rock. Bunch of rocks over here. Big trunk of some type of tree. All right, let's give this a shot. Come on, fishies. Nothing. Does that make sense? Woo! All right, guys, no bites on there. I don't know what happened to this creek, but we're gonna hit a spot or two, big holes downstream here, and then we'll probably just end up going somewhere else if I don't get any bites, which I'm having my doubts. So let's head down there and see what we could do. All right, let's try this hole. So I made it here to another creek. So I'm still gonna try to get on some native brook trout. I'm not sure what's going on with that creek from this morning. It's just, I don't get it. That creek used to be loaded with trout. Now there's nothing in there. So I just got some stuff set up here. We're just gonna make a quick coffee and then we'll hit a couple spots in this creek and hopefully we'll get on some fish. Cheers. We got some good coffee here, guys. Alright, let's try this hole here, guys. Just need to catch a fish today. Let's try changing lures. All right, let's try this fly. Not sure what it is, but if I could cast it, let's get it wet. Stick with this fly for a bit. We got a fish. All right, we got a fish on the fly, guys. Look at the colors. Beautiful little brookie here. Maybe about 5-6 inches. Look at the colors though. Gorgeous. All right, we got some action, guys. And this little fly, is that like a woolly bugger maybe? I don't even know. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments below. Got another one. Oh, this one's better, guys. That's a nice trout. All right. Guys, look at that brook trout. I just drifted that fly down the current. That's crazy. Guys, that's like trophy size. Look at that thing. That thing is huge. Wow. Unbelievable. I mean, the colors are amazing. Gorgeous, gorgeous fish. Wow. I don't believe the size of that trout. All I did, I just cast out in front of me a few feet, let the current take it down, and he inhaled it. Man, I gotta get a fly rod, guys. Man, everybody tells me, so many people comment, so many of my friends, you gotta do some fly fishing. Yeah, I think that's gonna be my next thing. But if anybody out there fly fishes, let me know if you get a rod and reel. Something that I can cast in these small little creeks. Really appreciate it, and yeah, I think that's next. That's next on this channel, do some fly fishing. But let's try to get on some more. What a trout that was, guys. All right, let's get it out there again. I'll show you what we got here now. So we got that same fly tied on. Then below that, we have like this little midge. Just shut up. Got a fish. Oh, he came off, guys. I think he was on the midge. Darn. That would have been number 3. Literally fell right through the net. It was that small. This is fun, though. Something different, you know? So that's gonna do it. So we only ended up catching 2 trout today. I don't know, rough day. You know, wasn't even sure if I should post this video or not, but figured it's an adventure, so might as well just throw it out there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, at least I caught a huge native brook trout out of this stream. Man, that thing was 10 inches maybe. Not sure what a trophy size native brook trout is. It might be like 12. I'll have to check that up. I'll put it on the screen right now. I caught both of those trout on a fly. Something different. Something I don't usually do. I think eventually I'm gonna pick up a nice fly rod and then just throw it around a little bit before I do any videos and maybe get into it. Definitely had a great time out here. You know, doing what I love to do, just being out in nature. But like always, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And maybe think about subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you, and have a great day.